almost got it.
Jetpack connection successful. Host identified. Warning, system instability detected. Initiating launch sequence.
Strapped and locked. Time for takeoff.
Seatbelt's on. He's not getting that thing off.
Unacceptable! Get this off my back! I will destroy you!
Jetpack fuel at 80%. Glitch probability 100% once we start. Wait until he's pointed away from the city. We send him up and out. Orientation perfect. Now!
The propulsion is unstable. I cannot maintain control.
He's about to go flying!